It's okay. Okay. Hi. This is welcome to ISE. This is DGX. Here is our website. Our factory is located in Zhejiang. It's near to Shanghai. And here is our product. It's very famous for these exhibitions. Our products is for outdoor, and you can use them for your event, for your club. You can combine them together or spare them. If you want to make your shoes great, special, amazing, try our products. The IP rating for this one is 665. For our products, the receiving card and the power supply, they are together, so you can, when you use it for your event, it will be very convenient. Okay. It is. For one main single cable, it can combine 48 pieces here together here. Okay, I will try like this.